Hi, I'm Corey. We're out at the Artificum Solis Proving Grounds today, doing some shooting. We figured we'd give a test of our metal, show you guys what it can do. This is one of the old prototype versions of the undercompensator. We're going to take it against these. We've got a couple of 22s, we've got 40 caliber, we've got 45, we've got 38s, and 357 Magnums. Let's show you what our steel can do. Start off with the 22.
Also helping us today is going to be our buddy Josh. Josh is going to help do a little shooting.
So going up against the 22, y'all saw I was about 10 feet away. There's a smudge. Ever so slight of a dent, barely even feel it.
Josh, if you would, step us up to the 40 caliber.
We've got your standard issue Glock 22, full metal jacket, 165 grains. We'll see what it'll do.
Some jobs are just better than others.
That was 40. Again, about 10 feet away. Put a dent in it. But
You fixed it!
get halfway straight.
Alright,
Still cuts.
still works.
Still cuts through.
Josh, if you would, maybe step us up. Let's do some 357 Magnums and some 38s.
All right, I'll show the chamber. We got 38 in first rotation, 357 going to second. See what it'll do.
This may require a few resets. Corey, reset.
All right.
Now what was that?
That was 38 special, shooting probably 145 grain.
38, it hit right there. Barely a dent.
Now we're going to go to 168 grain jacketed hollow point with the 357.
Now remember kids, don't try this at home.
Whoa. That had some oomph behind it.
It straightened it back out.
Josh is quite the metal
Head
smith.
right back straight.
Alright, if you would Josh, take the camera.
Will do.
I will be firing a 1911. It's got Federal, must be plus, man stoppers.
Right there on the edge.
Alright. I think that was all our bullets. Let's see if I can make it cut something.
You'll notice, out of all these bullets, there's some dents. Nothing went through it. Every single one of these dents can be fixed. It still cuts.
It slices, it dices, it julienne fries.
So, there you have it. If your average workday involves, deflecting bullets with your cutlery, this might just be a piece for you. Alright, thank you.